Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Shalom Blac. If you are new, go ahead and click on that subscribe button and also click on the bell so you're notified when I post new videos. Before we get into the actual video, I just want to do a little intro about me traveling to Memphis. I got the honor to visit St. Jude's Children's Research Hospital. Some few fun facts about St. Jude is that families do not have to ever worry about paying any bills. So from like transportation, hospital bill, food, and even living situation, they don't have to worry about it. And one of the things when I went for the visit was that they have this house called Target House, where they have families that actually get to live there for up to 3 years or even more. However long that they are in that hospital, they get to live in that housing for that long. And honestly, I visit the housing and it's so cozy. You know, it's not like a room that they give you. They literally give you like a space that feels like a home. And so for families not to have to worry about any of those things, that they just have to focus about their child getting better, it's probably one of the best things, I don't know, for me, I felt. St. Jude treat children from all 50 states and around the world. Most of St. Jude's donation actually comes from generous people like yourself and I. So I'm going to encourage all of you guys to donate anything that you can. And for anybody that donates $20 or more, you're actually going to receive this pin that I actually have on right here. And this is the St. Jude Glam Fam, so you can be a part of the squad. Before we get into the video, I just want to mention a little bit about Kaylin. So I'm going to be doing her makeover today. So Kaylin was actually a patient here at St. Jude. She comes back to St. Jude every year to get checked up. And Kaylin was actually one of my viewers. So it was such an honor to meet her and do this makeover on her. And I just want to say thank you again to St. Jude for making this even possible. So yeah, guys, with no further ado, let's just get right into this video. I am here at St. Jude with Kayla, and today I'm going to be doing her makeover. Obviously you wear makeup, yes, but you're actually a viewer of mine, so I'm so honored.
I'm subscribed, like this video because I'm subscribed.
Okay, she said it. Okay. So today we're going to be playing with makeup. I'm going to be doing something different than what you love the dramatic look, yes, but I guess you want me to do it because you think I'm expert. I'm not. But yeah, we're just gonna be doing makeup and asking Kaylin some questions, and if you have any questions for me too, feel free to ask me. But yeah, so with no further ado, guys, let's get right into this video. So you have been a patient here at St. Jude. How long ago?
4 years ago, come April the 15th.
Wow. How was your experience here?
It was different.
Mm-hmm. So what was the actual reason? Obviously,
I had acute lymphoblastic leukemia, LL.
Can you explain to me? Because I actually don't know what that is. So do you mind kind of like...
It's a blood cancer. My stomach was enlarging, actually, when I first had it.
Okay. And so you were here for
about 3 years, 2.5.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah.
How did you find me on YouTube? Like, what was the first time?
I always saw you on my recommendation list because who do I watch for makeup? I mostly watch James Charles and Jeffree Star,
mm-hmm,
and then it'll be James Charles, Jeffree Star, and then it's like recommended, and then it'll be like you, and then 3 other videos. It will be nobody else but you.
Really?
So I was like, okay.
So you were just like, let me click on her. Who's this girl?
Let me just watch her. So yeah, and then started watching you. I actually enjoy your videos.
Really? What was the first video that you were seeing?
Like the very first. What was it? You did. No, it was your boyfriend taking off your wig and your makeup.
Okay. My crush.
Oh, your crush. That, yeah.
So right now I'm just doing your eyebrows, And I like to start off with the eyebrows because, I don't know, I just feel like it really frames your face, because then from there you know what to do else with the rest of, you know, your face and your skin. So this is like my first step doing makeup. And then I get into the eyeshadow, and the reason why I do the eyeshadow before foundation is because in case I have any fallout, I could just clean it off and it wouldn't be on the foundation. When you were here with at St. Jude, did you had any like chemotherapy?
I had chemotherapy, I had different procedures, and I think a few surgeries, if I'm not mistaken.
Okay. Yeah. Did you lose your hair?
Yeah.
How was that? Because I know when I got burned and I lost my hair completely, it was such like a big deal for me, you know, being young. You did?
Yeah.
And how was it like going to school? Did you go to school like during that time?
No, I was actually, I went to school here at St. Jude first, and then I was homeschooled.
Okay, so St. Jude has a school here. So Kaylin, what is your favorite thing about St. Jude?
My favorite thing is basically how everybody cares for you. Like, you don't feel left out for anything.
That's how you felt like when you were here, even though you were so young. I think it's like incredible that you like know that and you felt that way, you know. What is your favorite part about makeup? Like, which one is your favorite to do? You have to pick one.
I guess doing the eyebrows.
Eyebrows. I think for me too, like
the eyebrows and the lip, because you know.
I say one thing you could pick.
I mean, like,
but eyebrows and lips.
Yeah.
Okay. Have a favorite doctor or nurse here?
Dr. Ribeiro and Nurse Justice.
Yeah. Why? Why is that?
Well, they're my nurse and doctor.
And everybody here is like super nice.
Yes.
I can imagine. I had a tour of the place today, and it was just really like refreshing, you know, just seeing how everything was like well thought out. And you also come and volunteer too, right?
Yes, ma'am.
How often is that?
Every time they call me, I guess.
Yeah, that's really nice that you're doing that, you know? So that means you really obviously love it, and now you're basically giving back. If you have anything to like tell my viewers about St. Jude, what would you say?
It's like different from any other hospital.
It's different.
Like, yeah, you may see the commercials and be like, oh my gosh, like, that is, you look so helpless, but you know, like, they actually help you fight through it, especially since like we don't receive a bill like that first.
Right, everything is like free, no pay, and I think that's so incredible. I actually went to like a hospital like that, you know, when I got my burn, and it's just so helpful, you know, to just have your parents not have to worry about how much is this gonna cost, you know, for my child to get a checkup and stuff like that. So. What is your favorite subject in school?
Does leaving school count? Like, I like school, it's just that it's like, it's boring. Cause it's like, you gotta wake up, get dressed, go to school.
So what do you want to be, like, you know, what is your career path?
I want to be an art director.
Art director?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
And like, basically, it's like what Oprah does and Tyler Perry and
Okay.
yeah. Like, I just invest in a lot of magazines, have my own magazine, invest in a lot of movies, and have my own business, and I also own my own fashion line.
What is your favorite memory about St. Jude?
Once a year, we do this panel discussion with Tri-Delta. I really like that. I also like doing the St. Jude walks. Me and my mom, we did it last year.
Okay, so it's just like a walk. Is it a fundraising walk?
Yes, it's a fundraising walk, and you can have different teams, and then they have like a fun little area for the children. My siblings, they like to go play up there.
So I heard there's something called the no more chemo. So tell me about that, because you had a party.
Yeah, my no chemo party, it was fun. I was asleep, but it was fun. Because, like, I was just out of procedure.
Yeah.
My hair was a mess, I remember that. And my eyes were barely open. Because, like, I had just woken up, and then they brought me into the, what was it? It's the medical clinic? Medicine room? Yeah. And then all I know, out of nowhere, I see confetti flying everywhere, and then they're like, no more chemo, and then they started singing the song. I don't know the song anymore. And yeah, so
that's how you
I was
found
just
out, like, that's the end.
And then my siblings were jumping on top of me. I'm like, I'm halfway asleep, but thank you.
Oh, that's so beautiful. Wow, I can't imagine, what was going through your head. I wonder how it felt, to find out that you finally,
when I was all the way awake, I was like, oh my gosh, I ain't gotta come here anymore. It's like, yeah, you do, but not.
Yeah, you don't have to go through.
Like, not because I used to go every day, and then it was like once a month, and then it turned into every 6 months, and now I'm on every year.
Every year. That's amazing. That's a beautiful story. Like, honestly, it makes me so emotional, and not to say I'm sad, for you, but it's beautiful that you have fought, I believe in this saying where they say God doesn't let anything happen to you that you cannot handle, and obviously you're strong enough to have handled that, and you came out as the winner, so that's amazing. I congratulate you. You say 4 years, right?
4 years come April
4
15th.
years. Wow, that's so beautiful. Congrats, babes.
Thank you. What is it like being a YouTube star?
What is it like being a YouTube star? I don't consider myself a star. I think it's life-changing because I've really gotten to meet so many incredible, unique people, and I've heard so many other people's story, because I used to think that I was the only person going through whatever I was going through. So being able to have the platform and having people be open to telling me about this story really I think that's probably one of the best experience ever, and also getting to travel. So yeah, you're obviously done with your makeup and you're gonna see it, but before you see your makeup, I just want to ask you this one last question. What advice do you have for the other patients that are still here at St. Jude's? What would you advise them on?
Just ease it out. Don't try to rush you. Don't try to plan it out. Be like, okay, we started on this day, and then we're gonna end it. Don't do that. You just
live, basically live in the moment and try to get well. Yeah, I believe in that. Just living in the moment, because it's amazing. So yeah, thank you so much. I'm gonna show you, because you haven't seen it.
I haven't seen it at all.
I hope you like it. Okay, here you go.
Who is she?
You. Yeah. Look, do you like it?
I love it. Oh my god.
Okay, I'm so glad. Try to do something kind of fun and colored, kind of like similar to what I have right now. See?
Oh,
got the pin going on.
Oh yeah. Pretty girl squad.
Yes. You have powder all over you now.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for being on my channel. I really
Thank
appreciate you telling me about your story and being here, letting me kind of glam you up. So I wish you nothing but the best.
Thank you.
Thank you for being so sweet. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoy it, give it a big thumbs up. And do you know my outro? Like what I usually say on my outro? Okay, so my outro,
like
it's okay.
You did it different. you did a different one video. So I was just like, is she gonna do it this time? Or?
I have a saying that I always say on my outro, and that is, remember to always be your own kind of beautiful.
You're so
and that too. It is all the same thing. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and remember to always be your own kind of beautiful.